see. Give it a go.
Get some privacy, Rachel. Yeah, pretty good.
Not too bad at all. So that chair earlier turned into this.
So what have you learned today?
People in Vietnam eat pho for breakfast, and I'm very pleased with this. It's delicious.
On the topic of eating, the food in Hanoi and Vietnam is incredible, and the coffee is in a category of its own. We enjoyed eating and drinking so much, we decided to get a local's guidance and expertise on where, what, and how to eat. From street-side snacks to alleyway restaurants, there are incredible fish, pork, chicken, and vegetable dishes all around Hanoi, whether that's outside with friends or in a fine dining restaurant. But Minh, our guide, taught us our most valuable lesson since arriving in Vietnam: how to cross the streets. His guide: be fabulous, or never waver, step back, only go fully forward with confidence. Here's John giving it a go. Fabulous.
It's a very cool place, obviously very important history. The tour was super interesting, learned lots. It was interesting how there's two parts, I guess. The French part, which was made look, it was horrible life for the Vietnamese, and then the American portion was more centered around how great of a job they did taking care of the prisoners. So obviously two different perspectives, but something we'll definitely want to read a little more about and see what the true side of the story is. Alright, Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, what do you think?
It's a dead guy. It's a dead guy in a case, and they're pretty keen that we kept moving at pace. So I think we spent a total of 14 seconds in there.
No cameras allowed.
No cameras
so this
allowed.
Is all you get.
No crossing your hands. Walk very straight. There was this guy who was desperately trying to rush me and John along, but listen, I came in to see a dead guy, and I'm going to see it, all right? Ho Chi Minh. There you go.
It's probably worth noting here that the clear annoyance on my face is from the heat and misery of the temperature rather than the mausoleum. It was very interesting. I am literally just boiling. Throughout our time in Vietnam, kids have been fascinated by John. They will run up to him and say hi, like seen here, ask for high fives, say hello, or scream from across the street to see if he'll see them and say hi. It's really, really cute. The train actually never ended up coming, but we had a great time watching this family on the railroad tracks have a really good time choreographed dancing, so that was really cool.
Alright, leaving Hanoi.
Leaving Hanoi and heading to Ha Long Bay. I'm extremely excited. I think we're gonna have a really awesome experience on a boat. But Hanoi's been really fun. The food's been incredible. It's been an adventure. And Vietnam's been great so far, so let's see what else it has.
bay.
It's incredible. Shall we step out to the balcony?
That's
Come
smart.
on.